In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft OneDrive Tutorial 2026, Windows 10 and 11, 5 minutes. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage built into Windows and Microsoft 365, and it's the easiest way to keep your files backed up, organized, and available on every device. We'll walk through signing in, finding your files, viewing photos and shared items, recovering deletions, uploading, sharing, connecting other Microsoft apps, and syncing to your PC. Start by signing into your Microsoft account. In the top corner, open the app launcher, the 9-dot grid, and choose OneDrive. You'll land on the OneDrive homepage, which highlights recent and recommended items so you can jump back into work quickly. To see everything you own, open My Files. This is your main drive in the cloud, where your folders and documents live. You can sort, search, and preview without downloading. If you're moving from local storage, mirror your existing folder structure here. Next, check out Photos. This view automatically collects images and screenshots saved to OneDrive, grouping them by date, album, or source, which makes it fast to scan for a specific moment. Head to Shared to review collaboration. You'll see items others shared with you and files you shared out. It's a convenient way to confirm who has access and open the latest versions without hunting through email threads. If you delete something by accident, open the recycle bin to restore items to their original locations or permanently delete them to free space. Permanent deletions can't be undone. When you need to add content, click Upload to add individual files or entire folders, or simply drag and drop from File Explorer into your browser. Watch the upload progress and wait for the confirmation before closing the tab. To share, select a file and choose Share. Send to an email address or copy a link. Adjust link settings to choose view or edit, and when needed, set an expiration. OneDrive also connects seamlessly with Microsoft apps. Saving from Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or OneNote to OneDrive keeps everything synced and accessible across devices. Finally, you can sync OneDrive to your computer. On Windows 10 or 11, sign into the OneDrive desktop app to create a OneDrive folder in File Explorer. Files are available on demand, open to download, or marked to keep offline. And that's your OneDrive basics. Sign in, navigate home, My Files, Photos, Shared, and Recycle Bin. Upload and share confidently, connect your Microsoft apps, and keep everything in sync across your devices.